Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So for today's video, we're testing out this lightweight jacket. So this is great for running, jogging, riding bikes, scooters, four-wheelers, ATVs, and a ton of different things. So this is what it looks like. On the back here, you have a zippered pocket right here. It is waterproof. Just like that, guys. So it's definitely lightweight. I don't think it's 100% true to size. So if you normally take a large, probably go with an X large. This is a large. It is a little tight on me. The arms and everything, but my shoulders are more broad, so it's really tight up through here. So if you guys are large, go with an X large. If you're a medium, go with a large. If you're small, go with a medium. But it is nice though.